Hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace a laptop screen. So what you guys want to start with is open this, and as you can see my screen is cracked. I'll show you guys that. So what you want to do now is you want to turn it off until you don't see no light. Now let go. Alright, so you're going to need replacement screen, which I got it right here. See, there's the screen. You're going to need some screwdrivers. You're going to need a Phillip, small Phillip, and a small flat. Alright, so let's get to the video. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to come close to your laptop, and at the top there should be a little where you could chip at the top. Not chip, but you know, grab onto it, and when you guys hear a crack noise, you guys want to go around the whole square edge. There you go. Go very easy on it. Okay, so I got the top off. Let's get the cracks. Okay, you can see, take that off. Now there's a big square. You're gonna need to turn that back on, put it back on, clip it back on, put that to the side. Alright, so now if you guys can see, there's a screw there, screw there, screw there, and one right there. So there's 4 equals. So there's 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. So what you want to do is get your Phillips out. Okay, let's see what we got here. Can't see. Let's see. Let's do this one. If it's you guys can't see, but it's a Phillip. Alright, so now put that to the side. Alright, now what you guys want to do is go at each edge of there's a screw. You want to loosen the screws up. So hold on. Okay, after the screws are off, you want to save the screws and put them to the side. You're going to need them later. Okay, 2 top. Off. Okay. 3 out, 1 to go. That's good. Okay. Okay, after that 4th screw out, it's going to come out. Shit. Okay, I got it. Alright, so what you're going to see, let it very down like I didn't, but let it down very light. You're going to see the little cord that goes to the computer to the screen. I'll go to untape this. Go very light. Okay. Well, that's off. So now, like I said, you're going to need a Philip. No, we're done with that. But now you're going to need a little flathead. So what you're going to do, go at the end of this crack, chip off. See, now that's chipped off. Focus. Alright, so now you just have your screen. And then this. Your little cord. Alright, so now let me unwrap the new screen. Put the screen to the side. Let me get this new screen out for y'all. Hold on. Okay, got a new screen. Pretty sweet, huh? Alright. Let me get this out. Okay. Brand new screen. Alright, it fits. So, same thing, your new screen right here, and then your cord. So, what you want to do is get your screen close to the cord. You want to get your little cord here, and kind of attach the cord to the screen. Right here, go very light, because there's spiky ends at the bottom that will bend, and you don't want that. Okay, and if it don't clip on, you want to get your flat. What the fuck? Okay, and when you hear them too, like a Sharpie marker when they clip on. So, see that? See right there. It's dark, but you can see it's attached. Okay. So now what you want to do, let me zoom back out. Alright, let's zoom back in. So now you want to get your tape. Go a little over, make sure it's on there. Okay. So now you want to get your screen, go a little light, and right here. Hold on, it's been. Fuck. I gotta bend these. Hold on, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Now, since you have your screens in place, you want to get your screws. Alright, we got one. Trying to screw it in with your fingers. Best thing to do. These are kind of hard, but god damn it. Again, this is hard as fuck. And guess what? Your screen falls. Oh, fucking god, dude. Okay. Hold on, guys. Okay. Let me get this last screw in on the left top. Sorry, guys. Okay. Sorry for the wait, guys. Okay. If you can see, I got that screw in. That screw in. Alright, it's gonna be easier now, sorry. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this like this for you guys. Hold on. Shit. Like this. Okay. Okay, let's put it in the bottom right. got all four. That. Alright. Now when you what you want to get, let me put these screwdrivers back in for you. Alright. Now I want to get it straight as possible and even. Okay, what the fuck? Okay. Alright. What you do, put that on, and then when you turn, I got it on, right there. But when you unplug the screen, it turns off the battery to the tablet. So what you want to do is you want to go charge it, and when you charge it, it's still be the same charge it was before you took it out. But I think they do it because security questions, or any, like, not to scare you, but like when you place the screen, push the power button, it won't turn on. So what you want to do, if it don't turn on, go wherever your charger is, go charge it, and it will turn on.